guys, welcome to 2019. For anyone that might have missed our live stream a bit earlier today, we wanted to address some of your frequently asked questions about results that have just been released. We want to start with saying congratulations to absolutely everyone who sat their exams and got the results back, regardless of what your grade was. Like, it's an achievement sitting your exams in of itself.
Absolutely.
And that's not to be ignored in lieu of your grades.
Yeah, cool. So today we thought we'd quickly run through some of the most frequently asked questions. I know a lot of people have a lot of questions around this time of year when they get their results. So we're going to run through most of them.
Yeah.
Cool. A lot of people had questions about dates and resubmissions.
Yeah.
So if you want, you can you can apply for reconsideration for your paper, especially if you're on a grade boundary or like you're one off an E, something like that.
Yeah.
Wait till your papers come back. So everyone gets their papers back, everyone's papers comes back within the next couple of weeks. And then you have until the 15th of February to apply for a reconsideration.
Yeah, and with that, it's worthwhile considering having like a teacher look at it or something like that to give their thoughts on whether or not it's worth sending away as well. And scholarship results will be out on the 7th of February and reconsideration for that closes on the 1st of March.
Yeah. We had a lot of questions about people who were slightly off merit or excellence endorsements. What are your options?
So if you're slightly off, it could be worth looking at getting something reconsidered that might have been very, very close to the next grade up if it is going to make a huge difference. Other than that though, like I think bear in mind that 50 is a pretty arbitrary number and that the credits that you gained, even if it wasn't quite that 50 mark, is still an achievement in of itself, and you should definitely congratulate yourself with that. It's just because it didn't quite hit that mark doesn't mean it's worthless.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I just wanted to say, like, grades aren't like the be all and end all of life, especially when you get your grades back. It's very easy to kind of get your identity like completely wound up and like make it so like your grades and your identity are one and the same, but like you are who you are regardless of what grades you get. And ultimately, in a couple of years' time, once you leave school, if you're going into university, once you get into university, your NCEA grades don't matter at all for literally anything. Yeah. If you don't go into university, you go somewhere else. Like once you get to, like all NCEA does is get you from like high school to like your tertiary course or like into your job or like into uni, and that's it. After that, it doesn't matter. So if you didn't get an excellence endorsement or you didn't get a merit endorsement, don't worry. Like everything's going to be fine.
It's not the end of the world.
Your life is not going to be made or broken by the fact you got merit or excellence at NCEA level 2 or level 3. And
off the back of that, it is important around this time to be considerate of the people who are around you as well. So a lot of your friends, potentially siblings or any other kind of family would have been sitting their exams as well, and the expectations that you have of yourself isn't going to be the expectations that somebody else has of themselves. So be careful in like dragging yourself down too much about a grade that maybe would have made someone else really happy. And in that, just congratulate yourself and the things that your achievement and just try to be there for others and their grades as well, whether they are happy with them or upset with them as well.
100%. Yeah. If you want to get a head start on 2019, you can check out our walkthrough guide, studytime.co.nz/store. They're 20% off until the end of the month if you use the code
past 2K19.
Past 2K19.
It's on our Instagram story.
Get onto that. Anything else?
No, other than that, we're looking forward to creating more stuff for you guys this year. 2019 is going to be a great year. Be sure to keep a lookout for all the stuff that we've got in the works, just to help you guys get through our wonderful system that is NCEA.
Really looking forward to 2019, guys. See you later.
See ya.